Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these Ruby monkey magnets. So these things are really nice, they're really strong. You get two pieces, so you're going to attach one to one side of the door, one to like the base, and then they're going to stick together. Now there's two ways of attaching this. It does come with these screws, these little countersunk screws, which you can attach it to the wall or the cabinet, or these two-sided pieces of tape. So you're just going to take this, stick this on one side of the magnet, peel this other side off. Then you can peel this side off. Now you can stick that wherever you need. So say you really want to permanently attach this, there's a countersunk side and a flat side. So the wood screw is going to go in on the countersunk side so that it stays nice and flush. That's how you would screw it into the wall. But let's put another double-sided tape on. So you do get 16 pieces of these double-sided tape. You get 8 of these monkey magnets. Okay, so say you have a door that you want to keep closed all the time. You're simply going to stick one side of this here. And then what I like to do is go ahead and put the magnet on it, and that two-sided tape is exposed. Go ahead and close the door. And now it should stick to it. Yeah. And now press that down a little bit more. And now that door will have a magnet that helps keep it closed, where this one just opens up. So if you have a door that's not wanting to stay closed, that thing works. It works really well. You know, and it doesn't cause the cabinet to stick out any farther, maybe just a little bit. Now, one side of these does have the magnet. Getting them apart. This has got the magnet side. This is just like a piece of metal. Okay, let's measure. They're right at 1 inch and 7/8, no, 1 inch and about 3/4 by about. Okay, so the one with the magnet is right at 1 5/8 by, looks like almost a 1/2 inch, maybe about 5/8. The one without the magnet, which is a little bit smaller, 5/8, 1.5 inches. Yeah, this one here is, yeah, 1 inch, just a little bit bigger, 1 5/8 inches. And again, they are some different thicknesses too. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.